Look at this. Bible story channels getting millions of views, families watching, communities sharing. And here's the secret. They're not hiring studios. They're not paying animators. They're using one tool, Video Express AI. Type out the scripture, hit generate, and boom. A cinematic video with narration, characters, and real emotion. Upload an image of Moses, of David, of Noah, and watch it move, speak, and come alive in over 100 languages. It's that good. And here's the kicker. You don't pay monthly. You pay once, and it's yours forever. Imagine using this for Bible stories, moral lessons, even kids' animations. It's so good it almost feels unfair. The only question is whether you'll use it now or sit back while others build the channels, get the views, and grow the audience. Click below and bring your stories to life today.